Tired of missing trend turns? Here's a simple but powerful strategy to catch genuine trend shifts, not just noise. This strategy uses three tools: the Vortex Indicator, a 50-period simple moving average, SMA, and a 5-period volume-weighted moving average, VWMA. Here's how you do a buy. 1. Price must cross above the 50 simple moving average. 2. The 5-period volume-weighted moving average, green, must cross above the 50 simple moving average, blue, signaling a fast-moving trend change. 3. On the Vortex Indicator, the VI plus line, green, should cross above the VI minus line, red, confirming bullish momentum. 4. When all these align closely, you enter long. For a sell, price crosses below the 50 simple moving average. The 5 volume weighted moving average, green, goes below the 50 simple moving average. 6 plus, green, crosses below the X minus, red, on the Vortex Indicator. Enter short when those three conditions happen together. Pro tip: because this is a trend crossover strategy, it works best during real trend shifts, not in choppy markets. Use it on 1-hour or 4-hour charts, as recommended, to filter out noise. And always use confluence. Only act when all three indicators align to reduce false signals. Bottom line, the Vortex crossover strategy helps you ride real trend reversals with clarity and confirmation, not guesswork. Want the exact MT4 template and indicator setup? Go to forexmt4indicators.com and download them for free now.